If you're tired of hard water buildup in your shower and can't find a product that you feel like is easy to use and effective, then let me show you what product I recommend. Here's the product that I recommend for cleaning your glass shower door, also safe on tiles, on fiberglass surround, in the bathtub, porcelain, all types of things to remove hard water. The showers and stuff is what you're going to want to grab because it is very effective and it has that acidity that helps break down the mineral deposits and is going to leave you with a nice clean shower and less scrubbing for you. Okay, let's talk about tools. Spread the solution. We have this little nifty white nylon scrubber called the Scrubbies. It is really great. It has a little bit of a rough texture to really help break down the buildup. I use this tool all around the house. One of my favorite tools. Gloves. You're going to want some gloves because this is an acidic product and you're going to want to protect your hands, and also probably turn on a bathroom fan or open a window while you're using showers and stuff. Finishing touches, an awesome squeegee, and of course our polishing cloth. Love these. Once you start using them, you will never use anything else to polish and shine up your glass, stainless steel, chrome. Use it everywhere. It's amazing. You can see how dirty it is. I start by wetting my surface because it makes it easier to spread the solution. So make sure it's turned to cold water. You don't want a hot, steamy mess once you get going. Rookie mistake. Didn't turn off the rain shower head. Now I have my showers and stuff bottle. It has the foaming nozzle, like I said. And so it kind of just spits it out, and you see how it clings? It leaves it thicker, so then it's easy to spread. It's not just a watered down product. It's like that nice foaming cling. I'm just going to start spreading and scrubbing my showers and stuff solution around. Scrub in circles. This makes it really easy. Has a nice comfortable handle grip. Now, next most important part. Let it dwell. If you don't know what that means, you let it sit for like 3 to 5 minutes so it can really start breaking down the mineral deposits. So that means less work for you because we're making the cleaner do the work. And when I say cleaner, it's not this one. It's this one. In those 3 to 5 minutes that you're letting it dwell, I do revisit the surface and scrub it in again. We are not rinsing immediately. We're dwelling. Move that solution around, never wanting it to dry on the surface. Just like that. Final scrub. So it's been about 5 minutes. Just gonna go again. Move the solution quickly. Now it is ready to rinse. It's that simple. This is where all of our bubbles disappear. Sit well. Again, I'm using that cold water. And I also kind of just open this up just a touch so that it rinses down in the shower. Shower heads with a hose like this makes cleaning showers so much easier. So if you don't have one on your shower, they are inexpensive. I think I bought this shower head for like $30 on Amazon. It just makes life a lot easier. When I go to clean someone's shower and it's just like a stationary shower head, I dread it. Rinse the shower properly. So for $30, you can really make your life easier. Finishing touches, we got our squeegee and the polishing cloth. Now, you could either go in lines or you can do what window cleaners call cutting down the mountain. And I really don't have to make this perfect because I'm coming back with my polishing cloth. I'm just getting the majority of the water off with my squeegee. Squeegees make life very easy, cutting down the mountain by going back and forth, kind of making a rainbow shape. Magic sauce. Polishing cloth. You use it dry. When it gets too wet, then I feel like it could possibly leave streaks. So I like to use it dry. Even rub it on the front if I do have any little kid fingerprints, because that is very possible. Spotless. You guys, It just makes life easy with these products. Dawn Aslet products have been around for 40 years. Seriously. I've got nice clean glass shower now. Look at that. It's perfect. I am left with a spotless glass shower door. Very simple and effective to do with our product Showers and Stuff by Dawn Aslet. Seriously amazing. Save yourself time and energy by just investing in the right products that get the job done.